Hi sir, our lesson for today ay lesson 13, equation of a line. Meron tayo yung table po dyan na form and equation. Yung ating form po ay point slope form, slope intercept form, 2-point form, and 2-intercept form. Ito po yung kanyang formula sir. Ayan, yung kanyang formula. Let's have an example na po sir para mas maintindihan po natin yung ating lesson. Example sir, write an equation of the line through point P, quantity of 1, -1, 4, 1, -1 and 4 with slope 3. Ayan, yung ating point P po ay -1 and 4. Yung ating M po natin ay 3. Yung hinahanap po natin na equation po ay yung ating point slope form. Bali, ito po yung kanyang formula. Y minus y1 is equal to M quantity of x minus x1. Ayan. Ayan po. Bale, ang mangyayari po niyan sir ay y minus 4 is equal to 3, yung ating M, quantity of x minus -1. Ayan po yung kanyang formula. Bale, ang mangyayari lang po niyan sir ay y minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 1. Dahil dahil minus and -1, i-ano lang po niyan sir, kaya magiging positive. Tapos i-distribute lang po natin si 3. 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 1 is 3. Kaya po siya naging y minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 3. Next naman po natin sir ay yung ating ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ayan po yung ating nakuha kanina na y minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 3. Ang gagawin po natin dyan sir ay i-arrange lang po natin siya. Kaya po siya naging -3 na po sir dahil i-transpose po natin siya. -3 plus y minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. Yung ating minus 4 and positive 4 minus 3 ay i-minus lang po natin. Kaya po siya naging -7. Kaya ito po ang kanyang final answer din po. Ayan. -3x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Ayan po yung ating lesson for today. Sana may natutunan po kayo, sir. Maraming salamat po.